Did you know a 10-year-old black girl once became one of the wealthiest people in Oklahoma, and the state immediately tried to take it from her? Her name was Sarah Rector. She was born into the Creek freedmen, descendants of enslaved people held by the Creek Nation. When Oklahoma became a state in 1907, the government divided up tribal land and gave Sarah 160 acres near Taft, Oklahoma. Nobody wanted it. The soil looked useless. Then in 1913, oil workers struck a gusher on her land. Money started pouring in so fast it stunned the country. Sarah was suddenly worth over $1 million. But Oklahoma officials refused to let a black child control that fortune. They appointed white guardians to manage her estate, taking legal control of everything she owned. Black newspapers across the country ran the story. Booker T. Washington's office applied direct public pressure. The campaign worked. Guardianship terms shifted, and Sarah eventually gained control of her own wealth. The state called it protection. The press called it what it was.